Tired of freelance fees eating into your budget? You've landed in the right place, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the best Fiverr promo codes to save you money on everything from graphic design to web development. Let's dive in. First, head over to your favorite search engine, Google, DuckDuckGo, whatever floats your boat, and type in Fiverr promo code. You'll see a bunch of coupon websites pop up. I usually check out sites like Retailmonat or KevinHowTo. These are generally pretty reliable for finding active discounts. Browse through the list and look for codes that are recently updated and have positive user reviews. If the site provides that info, once you find one that looks promising, copy the code. Now, jump over to the Fiverr website and go to the checkout page for the service you're purchasing. You should see a field labeled something like promo code, coupon code, or applied discount. Paste the promo code you copied into that field. Double check to make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Click apply, and if the code is valid, you should see the discount reflected in your order total. Boom. Savings. If the code doesn't work, don't panic, just try another one from the list. Remember, promo codes can expire or have specific requirements, so keep trying until you find one that works for your order. And that's it. With a little searching, you can save a significant amount on your next Fiverr project, whether it's for graphic design, writing, programming, or anything else. Be sure to like this video, share it with your fellow freelancers, and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Happy freelancing!